Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Ana Santiago, a soul alignment coach, spiritual guide, and a tarot and oracle card reader. To book a tarot session with me or a free discovery call for coaching, go to bit.ly/meeting with Ana Santiago. And follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Love and light! Hello, beautiful souls. Let's get you your reading. So this is an energy check-in, you versus them, wherein we will be tapping into the current energies of your connection. It regardless if you are if you are in a certain situationship, relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife. Take it however is going to resonate with your situation. I'm Ana Santiago, your soul alignment coach, spiritual guide, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So without further ado, let's proceed with your reading. So as you can see dito sa screen na meron ako, I have two decks. Kung nakikita nyo isang screen, I have two decks. So, kung mataas yung femininity nyo, kung kayo yung feminine, the girl in the certain connection, or mataas yung feminine energy even though you are a masculine or a guy, so I will be tapping into your energies here in this particular deck. And if you are the masculine or mas mataas yung masculinity nyo, kayo yung nagtitake ng action in the certain connection, I will be tapping into your certain energies here. At kung makikita nyo yung mga cards here, I have in the middle later on yung current energy. So without further ado, let's proceed with your reading. So let's know what is the current energy of your connection. Think of that person, the person that you have in your mind. Siya yung isa-channel ko in this particular reading. So let's see what is the current energy. So we have here rejoice. So meaning with the rejoice, it is time for you to be present. Both of you are focusing on the present, or it's either ikaw yung nagpo-focus sa ngayon, focusing on what needs to be done, focusing on what needs to be addressed as of the moment. So living at the moment. And might be your person with the heart chakra here, or the heart, you begin to feel your heart beating faster when you are close. So more on yung person mo is cracking open his heart or their heart. So might be your person is opening up, tapping into their vulnerability. Kumbaga, they are recalling those certain things na kailangan nilang i-heal, kailangan nilang i-work on with the heart here. So let's now try to unravel bakit ito yung energies ng person mo or energies mo in general. So, clarify the rejoice. Bakit ito yung energy ng person that is watching this certain video? So, we have here the Ten of Pentacles. Might be you're working on your stability and your security. You are working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. So, currently, that is the reason why you are focusing at living at the moment, focusing on the now. Nagfo-focus ka na buuin yung sarili mo to be stable and secure as a certain individual. Wherein, let's clarify more. Clarify more. Kasi nga, wow. So, we have here 10-10. Kumaga parang nandun ka na sa level ng buhay mo, my dear soul tribe, the one watching this video, na kumaga parang contented ka na. And kumaga parang having this connection with this person, with your person, is only an additional. So, you are finding that sense of fulfillment. Kung hindi mo pa nare-reach itong certain level na ito, you are finding stability and security within yourself. You're working on yourself to be the best version of yourself. And or also, you are wanting that sense of fulfillment, that sense of satisfaction within you. Might be you are working on yourself, self-love, self-care. So, kasi nga, maring you had been living out of fear, doubts, and anxiety before. So ngayon, dahil na-overcome mo na yung fear and anxiety, you are now focusing on rejoicing, being grateful, being thankful for everything, finding that sense of stability and security within yourself, sense of satisfaction, fulfillment within yourself. Kasi nga maaring nung nakaraan, yun yung obstacle na pinagdaanan mo or pinagdadaanan mo pa lang siya ngayon. At what you needed to do is to find that certain gratitude. Be in the sense of gratitude, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, for those who are watching this. How about your person? Why is it the heart? Bakit heart? Why is your person tapping into their emotions, honoring their emotions? Ayun, so spirit. Kasi nga, probably they are having that self-control, self-discipline, resiliency. They are finding that inner strength within them. So yung person mo is probably tapping into that certain energies of vulnerability. Kumbaga parang ina-address nila or ina-address pa lang nila kung ano yung mga traumas and issues that they are needing to work on. And with that being said, pag na-address nila yon, dun mabubuo yung sense of resiliency and inner strength na meron sila na pag nalagpasin nila yun. Kasi actually, healing is not an easy peasy. Hindi siya madali. Kasi for you to be able to focus on your healing journey, you had to acknowledge those certain traumas and issues. Kailangan mo siyang harapin. Na kung saan, kung gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng pagbabago, the change that you want should start within you. Changing the way that you think, changing the way that you see things, and also changing the way that you handle the situation. And that is what your person is currently doing right now. Or it's either ikaw, yung nasa-channel ko dito. Take it however is going to resonate kung alin ka dito sa dalawa na magre-resonate. So might be you are needing to tap into those certain traumas and issues that maaring it is affecting how you handle your relationship or situation. So, both of you are focusing on what needs to be done. May kanya-kanya kayong journey ng person mo na kailangan niyo munang pagtuunan ng pansin as of the moment. Kasi nga, it's either your person has a lot of burdens. Marami siyang bagahe na bitbit. And this is a time for him to contemplate ano yung mga bagay na kailangan niya nang i-release, he needed to release and let go, old habits, old mindset, old way of thinking. And for them to be able to release this, kailangan nilang mag-tap into their vulnerability. Kailangan nilang i-feel ang mga bagay-bagay kasi maaring yung person mo, they are not good in handling their emotions. Kaya it's very hard for them to feel yung emotions nila kasi nga maaring growing up hindi yun yung kumbaga parang kinalakihan nila. That is not how they were taught to address certain things, lalo na with emotions. Ano yung obstacles and challenges na kailangan nyo muna ma-overcome? On your end, what is your obstacles and challenges? My dear Soul Tribe Collective, what is your obstacles and challenges? Okay, so sacrifice. So, magkaroon ng mga bagay na i-release and i-let go. Mahirap for you, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, na i-sacrifice yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi for you to fully move forward in life, you had to be able to forgive the people who have hurt you, forgive the situation that caused you pain, and also forgive yourself. Pero kung hindi mo kayang patawarin yung mga tao, sitwasyon, or relationship na nakapanakit sa'yo, the only thing that you can do, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, is for you to be able to accept that you cannot change the past. But what you can do is taking the insight, taking the lesson, and apply the necessary changes in the now. On your person's end, ano yung obstacle na kailangan niyang kaharapin or currently kinakaharap niya? Patience and planning. So your person is having a hard time undergoing this certain process. As I've mentioned kanina, healing is not an easy process. Hindi pwedeng, okay, na-acknowledge ka ng healing, tapos na. No, hindi mo pwedeng madaliin yung healing journey. It takes time. And for you to be able to address kung ano man yung mga traumas and issues that you needed to work on, hindi siya all at once lalabas. Hindi all at once siya lilitaw or maa-address. Kumbaga step by step siya. Hindi mo siya pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin. So, your person needs to be patient and trust the process on how things are unfolding when it comes to his healing journey or their healing journey, or it's either your healing journey. Okay, so let's see, why is patient and planning ang obstacles and challenges ng person mo? Why is patience and planning obstacles and challenges ng person mo? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, why is it patient and planning? Kasi nga, your person wants to have a new beginning na agad. So, naiinip siya na baka mamaya, it's either baka ikaw rin to, na pag hindi niya agad nagawa yung healing journey niya or hindi niya agad natapos ito, maring they will be losing you. Kaya gusto nilang madaliin yung process so that they can be able to offer stable and secure relationship with you. So with the Ace of Pentacles, where in reality, what they needed to do is they needed to be whole and complete within themselves. Kasi kumbaga parang mangyayari sa kanila, mamadaliin nila yung healing journey nila, it will be half-baked. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya fully healed. So may mga bagay pa siya na hindi niya na-acknowledge, tapos he will be starting something new without learning the lesson that is provided by certain circumstances na na-encounter niya. So having a relationship and having a partner, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, is only an additional in our life. Hindi sila yung bubuo sa atin. They will be only an additional in our life. So additional love, additional care, additional value, additional respect. Na kasi yung person mo is wanting to leave the past behind agad. So, kumaga parang thank you next. Gusto na agad niyan tapusin yung healing journey so that they can start something new with the Eight of Cups. So, hindi naman pwede na basta ka simula ng simula without learning the lesson that is provided by every obstacles and challenges, setback trial that you had recently experienced. Kasi if you will not be learning the lesson, you will be bringing those certain baggages doon sa connection ninyo or whatever you're going to start to. So we have here the Nine of Pentacles. So kailangan mo muna maging stable and secure within yourself. You need to be the best version of yourself. So, kumaga parang unlike naman na i-offer mo dun sa person mo is the worst version of yourself. So, tendency, you will be contributing negativity, fear, doubts, and anxiety to the connection. So, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, ikaw muna yun. You need to give it to yourself. You need to give that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So, let's see, clarify the sacrifice for you, my dear Soul Tribe Collective. So, kasi nga, there are lessons for you to learn. So, with the High Priestess, so it's a karmic lesson. So, may mga kailangan ka munang i-release at i-let go for you to be able to welcome new beginnings or new connection, new situations in your life, my dear Soul Tribe Collective. It's part of your journey. It's part of the process that you needed to undergo. So, yun yung kailangan mong gawin with the self-sacrifice. It's the part of the process, part of the journey na kailangan mong i-release, i-let go, may iwanan ka ng mga bagay sitwasyon and relationship. And you needed to strategize. You needed to, kumaga parang, instead of trying to get fixated, getting too attached to the possible future or the outcome, it's time for you to focus on learning with the Page of Pentacles, learning as well and strategizing, preparing yourself to be the best version of yourself. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng healthy, loving, committed relationship with your person, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So let's see naman, what is the inspired action na kailangan yung gawin ng person mo? What is the inspired action that you and your person needed to do? For the meantime, we have here the friendship. On the end of your person, what they needed to establish is magkaroon muna sila ng magandang relationship or connection with themselves first. They have to show themselves kindness, love, and compassion. Kasi kung sa sarili man nila, hindi nila kayang mahalin, respetuhin, pahalagahan, at pasihin, at tanggapin, how can they be able to give that to you? So they need to create that harmonious relationship with themselves first before they will be able to give that love, care, value, respect to you. Kasi kung hindi nila alam yung love, care, value, respect that they deserve, how can they be able to give it to you or reciprocate back kung ano man yung binibigay mong effort sa connection ninyo? So with you naman, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, is you need to evaluate your decisions evaluate your emotions for firm decision. So, kailangan mong wag hayaan na kumaga parang mag-let in the way or humadlang sa pagdedesisyon mo yung emotions mo. It's time for you to be practical and logical on certain situation. Kasi kung lagi mo lang pinaiiral yung puso mo, not your mind, so tendency, you will be getting stuck in a certain loop or cycle. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng pagbabago in your connection, in your relationship, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, the change that you want should start within you. Changing the way that you think, changing the way that you see things, and also changing the way that you handle the situation. Kasi kung lagi mo lang, kumbaga parang you are putting your heart over your mind, tendency, kung puro emotions lang, you might end up regretting certain things. So before you make decision, my dear soul tribe, before you make a certain gesture or action, you need to come from a practical and logical sense. Okay? So clarify the triangle. Bakit ito yung inspired action na kailangan mong gawin? My dear soul tribe collective. Why is it triangle? Okay. So we have here the Nine of Wands. So kailangan mong maglagay ng boundaries kasi might be hinahayaan mo yung external reality ang mag-dictate ng kung ano man yung decisions and actions that you're going to make. So this is a time for you to put boundaries, be resilient, and it's time for you to stand on your business. Kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng pagbabago when it comes to your relationships in general, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, the change that you want should start within you. Hindi yung sitwasyon, hindi yung relasyon nyo ng person mo ang magbabago for you. You're the one who needs to adapt to the necessary changes on the horizon. Okay? So, let's clarify more. Dami. Isa lang. One more. Okay, this one's come out. We have here the lovers. So what you needed to do, my dear soul tribe, is you need to establish that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. Be your own lover. Be your own best friend. Be your own support system. So parang friendship lang din with your person. So instead na trying to fix the situations around you, it's time for you to fix yourself first. Kasi maaring hindi ganun kaganda yung relationship mo sa sarili mo, you keep on fixing external relationship na meron ka rather than your relationship with yourself. You are losing yourself along the process of trying to build established connections around you. So let's clarify the friendship of your person. Bakit friendship? Yung kailangan niya muna establish ng person mo. Why it's it friendship? We have here the Ten of Cups. Kasi nga, this person needs to find that sense of fulfillment, sense of satisfaction, and sense of love that they deserve. Kasi maaring growing up, your person wasn't able to experience a happy, fulfilling, satisfying bond with his family or their family. So, hindi niya na-experience it in their household. So kung paano nila ibibigay sa iyo kung sila mismo hindi nila alam kung paano nila ibigay yung love, care, value, respect sa sarili nila. So for them to be able to love you, to respect you, to value you, they must give it to themselves first. They must know it within themselves kung paano nila respetuhin, papahalagahan at pasisiyahin yung sarili nila. We have here the Three of Wands. So, kailangan niya muna magkaroon ng growth and expansion at maging open siya to whatever possibilities on the horizon. Kasi might be your person is getting too fixated, getting too attached in a possible future or outcome. And that is the reason why hindi siya nagiging fulfilled, hindi siya nagiging satisfied. May mga expectation siya. And it might be unrealistic expectation that is leaving your person unfulfilled and unsatisfied kasi hindi nangyayari the way that they wanted it to happen. Kasi masyado silang nakapokus or nakatouch sa idea of the outcome. So, happiness. So, sabi ko, maaring nilalagay niya yung happiness niya, their happiness in the possible future and the outcome. And dahil hindi nangyayari yon, nagiging unfulfilled sila, nagiging unsatisfied sila with the possible outcome. So, what will be the possible future energy of your connection between you and your person? Ano yung magiging possible future energy of the connection ng mga Soul Tribe Collective? So, unahin natin kita, my dear Soul Tribe Collective. What will be your possible future energy? Your possible future energy, you will be resting. Kasi might be, my dear Soul Tribe, naka-rest ka nga, nakaupo ka nga, pero yung utak mo running in a mile, kung saan sa naglalakbay. So, this is the time for you to rest yourself, centered yourself, rather than nakaupo ka lang pero yung utak mo kung saan napupunta, kung ano-ano yung iniisip, kung sino-sino iniisip. So it's time for you to fully rest your mind from worrying about things that you cannot control. You have your own free will on your decisions and your actions. So nasa iyo, hindi mo makokontrol yung mga tao, sitwasyon sa paligid mo, but what you can control is what goes on your mind, what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak. Kasi that becomes your reality. So with you naman or your person is goddess of the moon. Your person's judgment is a little bit clouded. And for them to be able to make a certain decision, kailangan mo nilang mag-step back. Okay? Kailangan nilang i-pull out yung sarili nila out of the situation for them to make a certain decision. Kasi hanggat nagiging fixated sila or nagiging attached sila, to an idea of an outcome, lalo lang silang naging unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So they need to practice the law of detachment from the certain outcome. Kasi might be yung person mo ay masyadong nagiging fixated to the potential of your connection. And that makes them unfulfilled and unhappy, uncontented, unmotivated. So let's see, why is it rest and rejuvenation sa'yo? Why is it your possible future energy? Okay, kasi nga, you need to nurture yourself. You need to show yourself kindness, love, and compassion. Hindi lang sa ibang tao mo laging binibigay yun, my dear Soul Tribe Collective. So if you wanted to be loved, cared, valued, respected, you had to be the first one to give yourself love, care, value, and respect. Kasi the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself, my dear Soul Tribe Collective, is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. Okay? So, let's clarify it with another one. Kasi nga, you had been not good in putting boundaries kasi hindi mo alam yung worth mo, hindi mo alam yung value mo. So, for you to be able to establish boundaries, healthy boundaries, para matuto kang mag-say no, maglagay ng limitation, you need to invest on yourself. You need to focus on yourself, learn to say no. And how will you be able to learn to say no, to sustain, or to be consistent in establishing boundaries? Know your worth. Know the love, care, value, respect that you deserve. Kasi yung standard na may set nito, dapat ikaw yung mag-set ng bar on how you're going to be treated, how you're going to be loved, how you're going to be cared for. Kasi the way that you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. Okay. So let's see. Clarify the goddess of the moon. Clarify natin. Why is it goddess of the moon? So we have here the Nine of Pentacles. So you need to make yourself stable and secure, or your person needs to focus on their confidence kasi they are not fully confident of themselves. Kasi maaring nagre-rely sila on the external reality or external or possible situation or decisions and action of people around them for their value and their worth as certain individuals. Sila dapat yung unang maniwala at magtiwala sa capability nila, sa talents nila, and sa skills nila. So that is one of the things that your person needs to do is to find that certain stability and security within themselves. They need to be confident of themselves. Kasi nga, imbalance yung person mo, they had been pouring onto other things other than themselves. So what they needed to do, ibigay naman nila muna ngayon sa sarili nila. Give themselves kindness, love, and compassion. Kasi the way that they will be loving themselves, valuing themselves, and respecting themselves is how they're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So instead na yung person mo, instead na kung ano-ano yung simulan niya, they need to give that spark or give themselves the kindness, love, and compassion that they deserve. Ikaw naman, with the Queen of Pentacles, so instead na yung situations lang or yung connections nyo lang yung aayusin nyo, it's time for you to make yourself stable and secure within yourself. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. So if there are certain messages coming from your person, messages coming from your person. Wow, ang dami. Okay. So we have here keeping you a secret seem easier. So for some of you, your connection with this person is somewhat secret. Nobody knows. Kayo lang nagkakaalaman ng connection na meron kayo. Kasi probably it's either forbidden truth, forbidden in a sense na it's an affair, so wag naman sana, or it's either kumaga parang hindi sa tingin nyo hindi kayo may intindihan ng ibang tao. So that is the reason why you both want it to be a secret from everyone else. So I can't escape from you. So maaring one or ikaw is trying to escape the connection, wanting to run away from the connection. Kumbaga para, Lord, ito na ba siya? Kung hindi, tanggalin mo na siya sa akin. So parang ganun yung peg. So we have here half-truth. So kung ano man yung sinasabi mo or ng person mo, it's joke or kumaga mga things, some of it are half-truths. So hindi porket sinabi nila na ganito, ganyan, ay they mean it, no. Sometimes they are using it to mask, kumaga parang lagyan lang ng, kumaga parang itago yung nararamdaman nila with what they are saying. Okay, so we have words are not action. As I've said, kung ano man yung sinabi ng person mo, kung ano man yung sinabi mo, I think naman kung ano yung sinabi mo, you didn't mean what you say. Kasi words are not actions. So action speaks louder than words. So even though sasabihin mong hindi kita mahal or ganito, pero yung action mo says differently or states differently. So we have here, I'm paying for the repercussions of my actions. So kung may nagawa mang mali yung person mo, they are paying for it, karma. Na they are paying for what they have did to you kung may nagawa silang mali to you and your connection. So let's get time frame for this connection. Probably this fall can be a significant time frame for you and your connection. This coming September 24 to October 22, which is the fall time, or last year. It's either last year may something significant na nangyari during the fall time or this fall time this year ay may mangyayaring something significant. So let's see, let's get more. So in the nearest future, probably there would be certain things that will be happening in the near future. So ang sinasabi lang sa'yo dito is just be open and ready for different possibilities on the horizon. Huwag kang maging fixated, huwag kang maging attached to the possible future or the outcome. Just let go, surrender, and let everything fall into place naturally. Then, in divine timing. Kasi nga, divine timing is at play. Hindi pa pwede. Kumbaga parang, the time is not right for both of you. Kasi there are certain things that both of you needed to work on muna before you come into union. So, you need to both prepare yourself in this union. Kasi when we say union, hindi siya ganun kadali. So, before you come into union with your person, there are certain things that you needed to work on individually. So, hindi pwedeng kayo na agad happily ever after. No, hindi ganon. Hindi siya parang fairy tale na happily ever after agad. So, may mga certain ups and downs na kailangan nyo muna i-work on. So, kung gusto nyo maging long-term itong relationship na ito, maging worth it itong relationship na ito, you had to endure the waiting game, waiting season. Kasi pag minadali mo ang proseso, if you will be rushing into things, and tendency, it will not be the way that you wanted it to happen, tendency, you'll get unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So, farewell, I'll get the letters and the zodiac sign. Farewell. So let's get you your initials. I will be pulling initials from this bowl. And then zodiac sign dito for any significant symbols. I'm not looking. Okay. So for the zodiac sign, might be your person is a Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. We have Cancer. We have Pisces. Pisces. And then we have Virgo. Virgo and Aries. Though present naman lahat ng zodiac sign based on the cards kasi we have water sign, earth sign, Leo, we have water sign, earth sign. So technically it's all. Pero mas dominant siguro sa chart ng person mo yung mga zodiac sign na nabunot ko. Then we have here a cat. So someone owns a cat siguro. Then we have here angel. So this connection is divinely guided with the angel. Nikita, pasensya na. So yan, angel. Then moon. So might be you are communicating through the moon. We have here the moon. Then the stars. So healing is required. So dalawang star, healing, Star of David. So there is healing that is needed to be taking place in this connection. Then mermaid. So someone might be kumbaga parang very attuned to their mermaid energy with the tail of the mermaid here. Then pagong, turtle. So maaring moving in slow tong connection ito, slow progress. Slow and steady wins the race. Then toxic cycle. So kailangan mo nang i-end yung mga toxic traits, toxic habits. There are certain things na kailangan mo nang i-release and i-let go. So you are both each other's kumbaga heart, dalawa yung heart. So you is a big heart, you is a small heart. You are kumbaga parang this is emotionally invested na connection. So kailangan mo na yung hanapin yung peace of mind, inner peace within you. Having that sense of peace. We have here W and Q. We have A. We have U, we have P, we have R, we have A, we have E, we have E, U, E, E, F, V as in victory, Y, and blank. Okay? Peru can be a significant. Peru. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Peru. UAE. UAE. Probably Dubai. UAE. What more? So far, wala na akong maisip. Anyways, wave can be significant. Okay. So that's it for your reading. So if you're interested to have this kind of reading, I do have this kind of reading, which is energy check-in, specialized for your connection. So you can set intention, provide questions, significant questions for this certain situation or connection. So if you are interested to availing one, so again, before that, readings are only guidance. Readings are fluid. Energies change from time to time. You have your own free will on your decisions and your actions. So if you wanted to avail this kind of services, you may um, click the link on my bio here in if you will be seeing this in the YouTube, the description, kindly go to the description and click the link or go to bit.ly/meeting with Ana Santiago. If you will be seeing this in TikTok, same thing, click the link on the bio or go to the website link bit.ly/meeting with Ana Santiago for you to book a video recorded or video call via Zoom na reading with me, or if you want me to be your coach, your accountability body to guide you through in your healing and to kumbaga parang help you out in your soul's purpose, kindly click the link on my bio again or click the link on the description bit.ly/meeting with Ana Santiago and book your free discovery call so that we can discuss the appropriate coaching program that is suitable for your situation. So this is what I got for you. Maraming salamat. Sending you much love and light. Bye.